Upgraded plug-in installation. NINEO 9005-9006 combo LED light bulbs perfectly replicate the light-emitting position of halogen lamp with a ratio of 1:1. Wireless beam connection troubles, just plug and play. 300% brighter vision. HB3 HB4 combo LED light bulbs can emit 24,000 lumens, which is 3 times brighter than halogen lamps on average, and the road section ahead can be seen more clearly. Ultra quiet plus long lifespan. Unique fanless design. 6063 aviation aluminum material body can effectively and timely dissipate heat, allowing you to comfortably enjoy over 50,000 hours of quiet driving with 9005-9006 bright light bulbs. Compatible with 99% of vehicles, built-in EMC intelligent driver can make LED lights for car reduce vehicle sensitivity problems. If your 9005-9006 LED bulbs still encounter related problems after installation, please check the manual for solutions. 360 degrees adjustable adapter. NINEO 9005 and 9006 LED combo use new heat-resistant array lamp beads to ensure the perfect light of the LED car lights 360 degrees and equipped with a buckle that can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to adjust the bulb when installing that will no black spots, no blind corners and no vertigo. Top reviews from the United States. Great brightness. I've installed this brand on all my cars and some friends and families too. This one set here is a little less expensive set and you can see it in the build quality. The beam adjustment plastic tabs were a little small and stripped during installation. I made it work, but I would recommend buying the more expensive sets. Still great lights.